Hello everyone, and welcome to Programmers ET, where we simplify complex computer science topics one lesson at a time. My name is Yared, and in this video, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of automation theory, starting with our first lesson, Introduction to Finite Automata. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand what finite automata are, the components of finite automata, and the two main types of finite automata, DFA and NFA. So, what is finite automata? A finite automata is a simple abstract machine used to recognize patterns and decides whether a given string belongs to a particular language. It consists of a finite number of states, and transitions between these states is based on an input symbol. Don't worry, definition can be a bit confusing. Most people don't get it the first time. So let me put it in simple terms. Consider passcode for your phone or for your home security system. And let's say the password is 1234. So the system expects you to enter these digits in the exact order, like 1 and then 2 and then 3 and then 4, in the exact order. Let's say if you enter 1, then 3, and then 2, and finally 4, this is not the exact order, so the system will reject it because the pattern is wrong. But here 1 and then 2, 3, 4, the pattern is correct, so the system will accept this and then reject this because the pattern is wrong. That's exactly how finite automata works. It reads the symbol and then moves through the states. If the pattern is correct, then it will accept. If the pattern is wrong, then it will reject. Components of finite automata. A finite automata is defined by 5 tuples: Q, sigma, delta, Q naught, and F, where Q is finite set of states, sigma is input alphabet, delta is the transition function, Q naught is the start state or initial state, F is the final state or accept state. So acceptance of string. We say a string is accepted by finite automata if it starts at the initial state and the machine reads the string symbol by symbol. After reading the final symbol, if it ends up at the final state, then the string is accepted. If it didn't, then the string is rejected. Types of finite automata. There are 2 types of finite automata. The first one is deterministic finite automata, or DFA, and the second one is non-deterministic finite automata, or NFA. What is deterministic finite automata? In deterministic finite automata, for every state and input symbol, there is exactly one transition, creating no ambiguity. That means for every symbol, for every input symbol, the machine has exactly one possible transition. The second type of finite automata is non-deterministic finite automata. And in non-deterministic finite automata, for a given state and input, there can be multiple possible next states or none. Also, in non-deterministic finite automata, we can move without reading input. To generalize, this is the difference between DFA and NFA. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lesson where I explain DFA in detail and with example. Until then, goodbye.